Have you ever wondered how Python, a simple yet powerful programming language, is driving the future of artificial intelligence? Picture a world where machines can learn, reason, and even perceive the world around them. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the exciting reality of artificial intelligence, or AI for short, and it's being shaped by a very familiar language, Python. Why Python, you might ask? Well, the reasons are numerous. Python is a high-level language known for its readability and simplicity. It's like the English of programming languages, straightforward, versatile, and accessible to both beginners and seasoned coders alike. Unlike other languages that can become bogged down in complex syntax and rigid structure, Python is clean and intuitive. This makes it a popular choice for coders worldwide, especially those venturing into the realm of AI. But Python isn't just a favorite because it's easy to use. It's also incredibly powerful. Python's extensive library support is a massive boon for AI development. Libraries are collections of pre-written code that programmers can use to speed up their work. In Python, you'll find libraries for everything from data analysis to machine learning, giving AI developers a vast toolbox to work with. Some of these libraries include NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for data manipulation, and TensorFlow for deep learning. And let's not forget about Python's versatility. AI is a broad field, encompassing everything from machine learning to natural language processing. Python's flexibility allows it to adapt to these different areas, making it a one-stop shop for all things AI. So, Python is simple, it's powerful, and it's versatile. These attributes have helped it become a cornerstone of AI development, enabling programmers to create algorithms that can learn from data, make predictions, and even understand human speech. So, it's clear that Python holds a significant place in the world of AI. But how exactly does it work? Stay tuned to find out. Python's role in AI is significant, and it's all about the libraries. Libraries in Python are like the secret sauce to a gourmet meal. They are the hidden gems that add a touch of magic, simplifying the process of creating complex AI models. 3 of these libraries, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn, are particularly noteworthy. Let's start with TensorFlow. Developed by Google, TensorFlow is a powerful open-source library that allows for numerical computation using data flow graphs. It's a favorite among deep learning enthusiasts as it enables them to create neural networks with relative ease. TensorFlow is flexible, scalable, and designed to handle a range of tasks with multiple data sets. This library is a true workhorse in the field of artificial intelligence. Then we have PyTorch, another open-source machine learning library, but this one hails from Facebook's Artificial Intelligence Research Group. PyTorch is known for its simplicity and ease of use, as well as its seamless transition from research to production. It provides 2 high-level features: tensor computation with strong GPU acceleration support, and deep neural networks built on a tape-based autograd system. PyTorch is beloved by researchers and developers alike for its speed and efficiency. Last but certainly not least, we have scikit-learn. This library is a staple in the machine learning community. Scikit-learn is built on the foundations of 2 other Python libraries, namely NumPy and SciPy, and it makes data mining and data analysis a breeze. It's a versatile library that offers a range of supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms. From classification, regression, clustering to dimensionality reduction, scikit-learn has got it all. These libraries, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn, are the muscle behind Python's prowess in artificial intelligence. They simplify the process of developing AI models, making it more accessible for everyone. They are the backbone of AI development in Python, providing powerful tools to create intelligent systems. Each of these libraries brings something unique to the table, helping to push the boundaries of what's possible in AI. These libraries are the backbone of AI development in Python, providing powerful tools to create intelligent systems. Scene script. Machine learning is a fundamental aspect of AI, and Python is a top choice for it. Now you might be wondering, what makes Python so special when it comes to machine learning? Well, the answer lies in its simplicity and flexibility. Python's syntax is clear and intuitive, making it a breeze for both beginners and experienced developers to grasp. This simplicity allows developers to focus on the problem at hand rather than getting entangled in complex code structures. But simplicity isn't Python's only strength. It's also incredibly flexible, supporting both object-oriented and functional programming paradigms. This flexibility allows you to approach machine learning problems from different angles, making Python a versatile tool in your programming arsenal. Now let's delve a bit deeper into the concept of machine learning itself. At its core, machine learning is all about enabling computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. And Python shines in this arena thanks to its extensive ecosystem of libraries and tools. Take scikit-learn, for example. It's a powerful Python library for machine learning that provides simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis. It's built on top of NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib, three other Python libraries that are essential for scientific computing. Then there's TensorFlow, a free and open-source software library for machine learning and artificial intelligence. It provides a range of functionalities and is especially good for neural networks. And let's not forget PyTorch, another popular choice for machine learning research, offering maximum flexibility and speed. It's known for its simplicity and ease of use, especially when it comes to building deep learning models. So, you see, Python's simplicity, flexibility, and rich ecosystem of libraries make it an excellent choice for machine learning. Whether you're developing complex neural networks or straightforward predictive models, Python has got you covered. Therefore, Python proves to be an asset in machine learning, making the process more efficient and effective. Natural language processing is another area where Python shines brightly. Think of natural language processing, often shortened to NLP, as the intersection of computer science, artificial intelligence, and linguistics. It's a field focused on how computers can understand, interpret, and mimic human language in a valuable way. The beauty of NLP lies in its applications. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to chatbots on various websites, NLP is everywhere. Even when we're typing a query into Google, NLP is hard at work, making sense of our words and returning relevant results. So where does Python fit into all of this? Well, Python's simplicity and readability make it a popular choice for NLP tasks. It allows programmers to focus on the problem at hand rather than the complexities of the language itself. Python also boasts a rich ecosystem of libraries specifically designed for NLP. One such library is the Natural Language Toolkit, or NLTK. NLTK is a powerful tool, providing easy-to-use interfaces to over 50 corpora and lexical resources. It also includes a suite of text processing libraries for classification, tokenization, stemming, tagging, parsing, and semantic reasoning. Another key player in Python's NLP arsenal is Spacy. Spacy is a modern, fast NLP library that allows for the processing of large amounts of text at once. It's designed to be production-ready, meaning it's not just for academic exercises, but can be used straight out of the box for real-world applications. These libraries, coupled with Python's general strengths, make Python an excellent choice for NLP tasks. It allows us to process and analyze large amounts of natural language data efficiently. In a world increasingly reliant on digital communication, the importance of making computers understand human language cannot be overstated. And Python, with its simplicity, versatility, and powerful libraries, is helping lead the charge. With Python, natural language processing becomes simplified and more accessible, contributing greatly to the field of AI. The future of AI with Python looks promising, don't you think? We're standing at the brink of a technological revolution, where Python, with its vast libraries and user-friendly syntax, is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. As we peer into the crystal ball of the future, the ongoing advancements in Python libraries paint an exciting picture. Take TensorFlow, for example. This open-source library, developed by the team at Google, has become a staple in the world of AI development. Its constant evolution and updates continue to make it easier for developers to design, build, and deploy AI models. Then there's PyTorch, another Python library that's making waves in the AI community. Developed by Facebook's AI Research Lab, PyTorch offers a high level of flexibility and speed, making it an attractive choice for AI developers. Its ongoing advancements are likely to further simplify the process of AI development. But it's not just about these established libraries. New Python libraries and tools are being developed at a remarkable pace. Libraries like Theano, Keras, and scikit-learn are gaining traction, each bringing unique features and capabilities to the table. This continuous development of Python libraries is not only making AI more accessible, but also creating new possibilities in the field. Moreover, Python's simplicity and readability are key factors that will continue to drive its adoption in AI. It provides a great platform for beginners to learn and for experts to execute complex algorithms. This easy learning curve is likely to attract more people towards AI development, thus leading to more innovations and breakthroughs. As we look towards the future, it's clear that Python's role in AI will continue to grow, opening up new possibilities in the world of technology. The combination of Python's simplicity with its powerful libraries is set to fuel the next wave of AI advancements. So, let's buckle up and enjoy the ride on this exciting journey of discovery and innovation.